Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 420 mm Hg to ATM. Correct answer is to convert 420 mm Hg to ATM, we first need to understand the relationship between these units. 1 ATM is equal to 760 mm Hg. Therefore, to convert mm Hg to ATM, we use the following formula: mm Hg by 760 equal m ATM. Plugging in 420 mm Hg into the formula, we get 420 mm Hg by 760 equal 0.5526 atm. So 420 mm Hg is equal to 0.5526 atm.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.